How to see all photos on Messenger. So you probably have someone on Messenger that you've sent multiple pictures or files or videos and you want to see them all in one spot. It's real easy to do. So all you have to do is go to your Messenger and pick the conversation that you want to go through. And instead of scrolling through the entire conversation, you can just click on the user's name and you're going to have all these settings here, and you just want to scroll down until you see where it says more actions. You want to choose view media, files, and links. So from here, it's going to list all of your pictures and videos under media, any kind of files that you send, any kind of links that you may send. They're all in one spot, but it's really easy to navigate through here rather than going through your entire Messenger conversation if it's months or years of messages and videos and pictures and all that stuff. It's really easy to just go through and click the top of the name and come down here and go through there. It's very simple to do, and I hope this helps.